everyone! So back in July we moved into our first home here in BC, Canada, and I documented like the day or two leading up and then move-in day and then like the first couple of days after, but then it does just suddenly abruptly end because things just ended up getting crazy busy. We had to fly back to the UK and yeah, things just got so busy, so it is going to end really abruptly, but I just wanted to give you a heads up and let's go back in time to when we were moving in. Hi, it's Tuesday, July 16th and our house purchase closed today. We completed, which is amazing. We completed about 9 o'clock this morning. So yeah, it's all official, it's ours and we move in tomorrow. We're going for a celebratory meal tonight at Theo's with my mum and dad. So I'm going to take you along and show you the delicious food. Yay! The keys are ready.
It's ready.
We can get in Wednesday, July 17th. Moving day, we're on our way. Baby girls are down here. Yay, let's go see our house.
Van's all loaded up.
Van's all loaded up. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Here we go, girls. Welcome home. In our new home, aren't we? So here's the front door when you come in. There is a deck space out front, but I'll show you in a bit because the dogs are off leash at the moment. This is the living space. So obviously it's empty at the moment. Around here is where we're going to have our dining table, dining cabinet. It's got a nice lamp actually, didn't notice that before. Like the colour of the walls. Oh yeah, look, you can, I'll just show you the deck from here. So yeah, there's like a deck space outside. I'll show you through here too. See, nice big deck, which is nice. This is the kitchen. So nice and bright. Cooker, dishwasher, fridge, pantry in here. So lots of storage space in here. Lots of cupboard space too. So yeah, this is where the dining table will be. We'll go downstairs first. So we have a bathroom down here. Aircon's on and working, which is good because it's boiling hot here in the Okanagan at the moment. So yeah, we've got bath over shower, Jack and Jill shower here. Go out this way. There's a bedroom here, which is going to be a guest bedroom, and it has wardrobe, and behind this is a crawl space. So yeah, that's really big under there and that's going to be really handy for storage. So yeah, this is quite a big room. Down here is the second kind of living space room. So we're going to have this as like a second lounge. We're going to have a nice corner sofa here, and this will be like a nice hangout space in the summer because it's cooler down here, but it's a really big room. Has built-in wardrobes here, and this is where the boiler is. So we have forced air here, which is good. Like I said, the air conditioning's on, so it's nice and cold. Got a little chandelier up here, and then this leads out into the yard. So we've got this deck space out here, which is quite big. Let me just actually go out. So yeah, nice big space, shed, big storage shed, nice deck space there. We're thinking of having our patio sectional there and the barbecue, and then the dining table here because you can fix a shade covering because there's no actual shade covering here. The girls are loving their new yard already, so cute. One sec, I'm just going to pause because I'm going to have to get them in. They're back in now. Okay, so now we're going to go back up into the main living area. I feel like, sorry about these bags, but we just kind of came in and just dropped them. So yeah, then we go up these stairs. Okay, and in here is our laundry room. When you buy houses in Canada, they come with the appliances. They're written in the contract, which is obviously super helpful. That's why the fridge, cooker, dishwasher, all that is here. So yeah, nice laundry room there. And it's even got a little cat flap, because we're thinking this is where the cat's litter tray will be as well. They're not here at the moment because they're not moving in until we get back from the UK. This is another spare room. This is the only one that we kind of want to paint. We're not massively keen on this colour, but no big deal. So yeah, again, the built-in wardrobes, which is nice. And yeah, Richard's gonna have this as an office room initially, and it's going to have a sofa bed in it, and then it will eventually be a kid's bedroom. Okay, here's our bathroom. We have double sinks in here, which is really nice and really handy. We've bought a bathroom cabinet to go here, just because I've got lots of toiletries and stuff. Toilet. Nice, like, bright bathroom. That's a bath, baby. Another Jack and Jill shower. So it's nice to have a bath again, because I haven't had a bath like at home since we left the UK, so I'm excited to have our own bath. And then this, so you can get into the master bedroom through the bathroom. I'll show you. It's like a sliding door, so that's handy. And then this door is out into the hallway. But this is a really big room, really big. It's gonna easily fit our Canadian king size bed in it and have so much space left over. So yeah, this is our bedroom, which looks out onto the yard. I can't figure out how to get these blinds open. I don't know where the little, you know, thing that you pull it is, so no big deal. And then this is the best part. We have a walk-in wardrobe. Like, you can properly walk in here. It's not really picking up on the camera because this doesn't have the widest lens, but like, yeah, this is a proper walk-in closet wardrobe. So I'm stoked about this because I always wanted to have my own walk-in closet, and I can't wait to like decorate it. It's so fun. So yeah, that's our new home, our first home together in Canada. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll do an updated tour when we've got furniture in and it looks a bit more like home. Bye. Hey everyone, so Dad and Rich have gone back to Dad's to get more boxes to bring over, and I'm just unpacking stuff. And let me just show you, like, some of this stuff I haven't seen since we left the UK, because it's just been sitting in the carport at my dad's house, because we knew we were getting our own place eventually. So we were like, there's no point in unpacking stuff, like everything. And I'm just remembering all this stuff, and it's so exciting seeing stuff that you haven't seen in like 2 years. So yeah, I'm having fun here. First night in the new house, as you can see, it's total chaos. Furniture's coming tomorrow in the U-Haul. We're still doing it all ourselves. It's been a long day, but we're gonna, internet's coming tomorrow as well, but I think Rich has downloaded some episodes of Modern Family. We've got Richard's laptop hooked up to the TV, so we're just gonna watch that. And we got pizza from the local pizza place, which is like a 5-minute walk. It's like a vegetarian with feta. Looks good. So we're just gonna have some wine. You're gonna have beer.
Rum and coke.
Just have rum and coke, and yeah, first night in the new house.
Morning. So things are obviously looking a little bit different than they did last night. We've got most of the boxes out of the way. I've just still got a couple of things that I still need to put away. All our furniture and the rest of our stuff from Dad's is coming today, so it's just going to get completely filled up again. But yeah, I have one more box of kitchen stuff to unpack. Slowly making my way through, getting it all in the dishwasher. But we have like things in use now, which is nice. We got plates and bowls in here and things, and we have our table. Our dining table. It's really nice. It's got 4 seats, only 2 of them are built at the moment, and then like a bench seat as well. So yeah, looking better than it did yesterday, but still lots of mess everywhere. And there's our big pizza box that we shared last night because I have to clean it to recycle it. It was massive. We had some of it tonight and then the rest of it this morning for breakfast, because you need a big breakfast when you're moving. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the Wi-Fi guy to come as well. Actually, he's due between 10 and 12, so he should be here soon. But I'm just going to carry on unpacking. I will catch you later. Bye. End of day 2. This is where we're at. We actually now have like a living space. Obviously it's not completely finished, but we've got this new couch which is really comfy. TV's up here. And for dinner, still chaos in here while we do all the dishwasher loads. For dinner we just bought a load of stuff from the little local grocery store, and we're just going to kind of have like picky bits. We've got like some olives, halloumi, hummus, Greek salad, pita bread, some Beyond Meat nuggets and some fries and some prosecco. So yeah, we're just gonna have this, pick at it all night and watch some stuff. And this is our first time using this oven, and it's got an air fryer setting on it. How cool is that? I don't know how you change the temperature on this, so I need to figure that out, but that is not for today. Bye! Day 3. We've done quite a lot today. I'm not going to show it. I'll show it tomorrow. But we're just cooking our first meal in our new home. I know we kind of technically put something yesterday, but it doesn't really count. We're doing noodles and we're just listening to some music, having some wine while we do it.